Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick demo on how to add a custom cursor to your Webstudio project. Let's jump right in. First, we'll add a new element to our page. Let's choose a box element and rename it in the Layers panel to Cursor. This will be our custom cursor itself. Now, in the Style sources, we'll create a new token called Cursor. This is where we'll define the look and behavior of our custom cursor. We'll set the width and height to match the dimensions of the image we'll be using for the cursor. To make sure our cursor stays on top of everything, we'll set the position property to Fixed and set the z-index to a very high number, like 999. This ensures it remains on top of all other elements. Under Backgrounds, let's add a new background and choose our custom cursor image from the Asset library. To make sure the entire image fills the box, we'll set the size of the image to Cover. Since this is just a visual element, we don't want it to interact with clicks or hovers. So under Effects, let's set the Pointer Events property to None. Finally, for our cursor box, we'll go to the Settings panel and assign it an ID of Custom Cursor. This ID will be used in the JavaScript code later. Now, to completely hide the default browser cursor, we'll go back to the Layers panel and select the body layer. In the body layer's style sources, we'll create a new token called Body. Under Effects in the Body token, we'll set the cursor property to None. This will hide the default cursor. Now, to make our custom cursor follow the mouse movement, we'll add an HTML embed element to the page. In the embed settings, make sure to enable the client only and run script on canvas options. Inside the HTML embed code editor, we'll paste a short JavaScript code snippet. This code will grab the cursor element using the ID we assigned earlier and update its position to match the mouse movement on the screen. And that's it! With those steps completed, hit Preview to see your custom cursor in action. It should now follow your mouse movement throughout the entire page.